In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link GCash to GCash Jr account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to prepare, and how to complete the process smoothly and securely. GCash Jr is designed for younger users, with parental oversight built in, so linking it properly ensures safe, supervised access. Start by opening the GCash app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your primary GCash account and that your app is updated to the latest version. A stable internet connection will help the process go faster and prevent any interruptions. From the home dashboard, tap View All. This shows you the complete list of features and services inside the app. Scroll down through the categories until you see GCash Jr. The layout may vary slightly depending on your device or app version, so take your time and scan carefully. When you find GCash Jr, tap it. On the next screen, choose Add Child. Now, this option begins the linking flow and will prompt you to enter the minor's mobile number. Type the correct number carefully, exactly as it appears on the SIM that the child will use for GCash Jr. The number should be active and accessible because the app may send confirmations during the process. Double-check for any typos before you proceed to avoid delays. Before you continue, prepare the necessary documents. Having everything ready will save you time. Typically, you'll want a clear, valid government-issued ID for the parent or legal guardian and a document for the minor, such as a birth certificate or school ID, depending on what the app accepts in your location. If guardianship applies, have any relevant proof on hand. Make sure all photos are well lit, with edges visible and no glare or blur. Ensure names, dates, and numbers match what you'll enter in the app. Once your documents are ready, tap Next and follow the prompts on your screen. The app will guide you step by step, asking for information and any document uploads it needs to complete the link. Read each instruction carefully, confirm that all details are accurate, and avoid sharing any sensitive information outside the app. If something doesn't upload right away, try retaking the photo in better lighting and keep your connection stable. After you've completed the on-screen steps, allow a short time for processing. When everything is approved, the child's GCash Jr account will be linked to your GCash, giving you oversight and helping the minor use digital money safely and responsibly. That's it. You've successfully linked GCash to a GCash Jr account.